Hi there, this is Dr. C. Sonia, Assistant Professor in Chemistry, SNS College of Technology. Welcome to another video of Environmental Ethics Issues and Solutions. In this video, we are going to see about ozone layer depletion. Rowland, Professor of the Chemistry at the University of California, Irvine, and Molina, a postdoctoral fellow in the Rowland's laboratory, has shown that chlorofluorocarbons, that is CFCs, could destroy ozone, a molecule made up of three oxygen atoms in the Earth's stratosphere. So, ozone is a molecule made up of three oxygen atoms. The stratospheric ozone absorbs ultraviolet radiation that otherwise would reach the surface of the Earth. At the time, the CFCs were in wide use in refrigeration, air conditioning, and aerosol spray cans. The compounds are inert and essentially non toxic characteristics that made them well suited for these applications. These same characteristics, however, also made them a danger of life on the Earth. So, ozone is a highly reactive gas comprising triatomic oxygen. Amount of atmospheric ozone was measured in Dobson unit. So, 1 du is 0.01 mm thickness of the pure ozone if it is brought to the ground at 1 atmospheric pressure. Ozone layer in the stratosphere protects the Earth's surface from the UV light. Ozone depletion refers to a lower concentration of the ozone in the upper atmosphere. Holes are formed, more ultraviolet radiation is reaching the Earth's surface due to the formation of the holes. So we can see the formation of the ozone holes by using the chemical. This chemical is the freon, which is nothing but difluoromethane. So this would freon, when it is hit by the ultraviolet radiation, you get the free chlorine out of this. The free chlorine will go and attack the ozone and damage the ozone. So these are the images, that is satellite images of the ozone hole. So ozone depleting substances like chlorofluorocarbon, hydrochlorofluorocarbon, BFC, borofluorocarbons. So these for CFCs are the sources of refrigerants from the propellant in the aeroplanes, spray cans, and HCFC sources of refrigerants, blowing agents. BFCs are the sources of fire extinguisher. Other chemicals like halogen compounds, sulfur dioxide is converted into sulfuric acid. So what are the causes of ozone depletion? Presence of chlorofluorocarbons causes the ozone depletions. Presence of oxides of nitrogen also causes. Then presence of halogen. So presence of bromine is also a cause for the depletion of the ozone layer. The radicals speed up the loss of the ozone because they constantly re-emerge to trigger another reaction. So we'll see what's the effects of ozone depletion. Ultraviolet radiation is absorbed by the DNA and modifies them, affecting the expression of the genetic information. A higher incidence of skin cancer, lung disease, and cataract can be formed due to the exposure of the ultraviolet radiations. So the crops is also getting reduced in the yield. Disruption of the ecological balance in the ocean is also observed due to the high amount of the ultraviolet radiation, which was a consequence of the depletion in the ozone layer. A higher instance of the photochemical smog was also observed. What is the specific effect of human health of this is skin cancer, risk of non-melanoma skin cancer, slow blindness, then reduces human resistivity. It also affects aquatic systems like phytoplankton, fish, larval crabs. Then phytoplankton consumes large amount of carbon dioxide. Effect on materials like you get the degradation of paints, plastics, and polymeric materials. It also affects the climate like increasing the global warming. So, what can we do to solve the problems of the ozone depletion? It's important to reduce the emission of the ozone depleting chemicals, reduce the use of aerosol sprays, use of aerosol sprays that are free from chlorofluorocarbon compounds, and next is the methyl bromide, that is fumigant, can be reduced. Thank you.